This is not only training based program, it is an energy booster where from we can gain our main skills, life skills, strategies, game plan, drills, and everything. How to propel our beach here or with maintaining your body style. So other than you cannot do anything. You have to be focused on your life goals, like how you are propelling your wheelchair in left way or right way according to your other team's player. So right now suppose we are learning these skills, how to attack and defend in between the games. These are the main rules which we learned from other teams in Japan, and it was 10 days training with them. So right now finally we had a match. You can see directly here. So every team has 4 players. There's 2 for attacking or 2 for defending. So right now suppose these are the throwing skills, how to throw the ball direct to other players. It could be reached directly with that player and he can hold and throw. So right now suppose I got this ball and I'm throwing. If someone attacking me, so I'm not able to move my wheelchair left and right, so I can directly throw to my team members. So you can see directly here. These are the strategies, and suppose you throw a ball and you are standing over there, that is not point. You have to be moved fastly in right or left way to keep continue cross the line, and it can be goals. So you have to keep mind focus on particular game, and these are the rules. You have to be keep ball on your lap and move fast. There is no steps like basketball, so there is a different rules to play rugby games. On these we are doing these skills. Drills are learning how we can move or propel our wheelchair with double energy whenever we need. So right now these all are the players. And skills, it could be anything, but you have to focus and motivate by yourself. So right now I'm just doing Baileys. It is not means I'm just doing Bailey. It is a happiness, or it could be learned something else which is better for you to keep motivate. So right now I'm trying to it in Paralympic Center according to the time. How can I move, how many rounds I can do myself, and it's a badminton statue, and finally it's a wow moment for me.